Hello there and welcome back to this JavaScript course where today we're going to be actually finishing up Unit 1. And in this lesson we're going to be going over debugging. So we're going to have a look at a very quick debugging tool that JavaScript provides for us that we're going to be using throughout this course to go ahead and find bugs in our code. So anyway then, let's go ahead and take a look at this. Alright, so here we are in our code. So this is the exact same code that we were in previously. So this is our text editor and everything's the same. Let's go ahead and create a new file here. There's going to be 1.2.html. There we go. We can actually go ahead and copy in just the same exact code as in 1.1. There we go. And inside here, all we're going to do is do some very quick math. So we're just going to do var a equals 1 plus 2. Okay. And then after that, we're going to do debugger. There we go. So let's go ahead and save that. Okay, let's go ahead and show that in Finder. There we go. And let's go ahead and run this in the browser. There it is. And now we're going to go ahead and click this. And you can see now that we go ahead and it pauses it in debugger. And at this point, we have this debugger window on the left here. Let me make this a little bit bigger so that we can see. Can I not? There it is. Yeah, there we go. So we have this debugger window here. And here we can actually see that variable a is equal to 3. It goes ahead and executes this, and we can now see this value here. So this debugger is pretty valuable when you are working with JavaScript. If you ever get a bug, and if you don't know what a bug is, it's essentially just when you make a mistake. So when you think that something is going to work one way, and it actually works another way. So for example, let's say that we made a mistake here. We meant to do 2 plus 2, and accidentally we typed 1 here, and we didn't notice that. And so we're running our code, but we have a very large code base, and we don't quite, understand where the problem is. We can go ahead and take a look at here, and we can see, oh, a is equal to 3, so that's causing some problems down the line. And so the problem here, we can see it's 2 plus 2. So we accidentally put 1 here.